In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter Form 8949 on TurboTax. So basically what you have to do is first log into your account, and then you want to go to Federal over here on the left, click on it, and go to Wages and Income. From here, from the Wages and Income tab, you will basically then have to start filling out your information. So it's going to ask you a bunch of things. Just basically put in your info, and then over here, it will ask you a bunch of different questions. You just want to answer to them or answer them later if you want to, like this, okay? So once you've done that, and once you've put in all your info, you will then get either a Form 1099B or 1099S. And when you enter investment, sales, or exchanges from Form 1099B or 1099S in TurboTax, they will then automatically fill out Form 8949 and transfer the info to Schedule D. So basically, you don't have to do anything, and you don't need to fill out the 8949 yourself because they will do it after you fill out your 1099B or S. It says this on their website, and you basically don't have to do anything, so they will do it for you. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.